Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
Trillanes is one guy who is a shame. Pati yung magmandagdalo ng sumunod sa kanya. God, ang ina kayo. Pinaaral kayo sa PMA. Medyas, sapatos ninyo, t-shirt, pagkain, lahat, gastos ng tao. Then you have a goal to stage in mutiny. And after that, because the president was so unpopular, nanalo ito si Trillanes. At anong ginawa mo? Mukha kang binaboy mo ang Senado. And you use that power to run after people. At ikaw ngayon, di alam ng mga sundalo, di alam, karami mong kutse, tapos karami mong properties na nakalista sa ibang tao. Ikaw yung number 1 na gagamit ng dam. Lalabas rin yan. Pero sabi ko, walang hiya ka, hindi ka lalaki. Kasi sinong magtanong, pas kita, tanungin mo yung mga bakla. Tanungin mo, kita si Trillanes. Ano yan si Trillanes? Lalaki o babae? Hindi na ako, I will not add. Magtanong lang kayo ng bakla na kaibigan. Tapos sabihin mo, ano yan si Trillanes? You'd be surprised. Tanungin mo yung mga bakla. Baski sino ang bakla? May sabihin sa iyo yan. Ganon ka, putang ina mo. Walang hiya ka na, pati pamilya, pati mga bata isalin. Gusto mo pang hamunin yung pulis pati yung dalo, kung nagkapatayan doon. Tapos, alam mo kung ano, every time na si Trillanes, kasi PMA, ginagamit na yung pagka-PMA niya. Loko-loko ka, gastos ka ng tao. Hindi sa akin, buong bayan. Huwag kang magsalita ng ganon. Tang ina mo, libre ka. You got your education from the pocket of the people. Kayong magdalo. Remember that. Kung wala ikiya ninyo, tapos mag-stage kayo ng mutiny. Kasi ayaw niya si Gloria. Ako, sinabi ko sa kanila. I'm reminded, narinig na ninyo ito. I'm sure you have, but I would end it by a story, and it goes like this. Maraming masterpieces the painter and the sculptor and the genius Da Vinci, Leonardo. Came sa Florence and was doing his everything there. He lived in the 14th, 52 something. He died. Basta year 15, so mula siguro, hindi naman 1 century, but he lived quite a good life. It is said that in Florence he started to paint the Last Supper, the last dinner of Christ with his mga apostoles nila na puro may sungay naman pala. Then the guy was about to finish the work. For each and every apostle, meron siyang model. Gaya yung mga si St. Peter, kinuha niyang model si General Esperon, gano'n. Binayaran niya. Tapos si Saint, sino ba yung mga yawa na yun? Pangalan nila? Oh, siya. But he was able to complete the painting. So it is said, in 5 years, except two persons na hindi niya madrawing. He was looking for a model of Christ, the far right, and itong si Judas, the far left. So it took him another 2 years, but not in Florence. But during a fiesta in Venice, may nakita siya ng actoring drama
So he saw this guy, parang Kristo talaga ang mukha. Clean face, may gupit, and he was an actor. He was talagang maganda. So it struck him and said, this is the kind of face that I would paint for Jesus Christ. So pagkatapos ng drama, pumunta sila sa backstage and kinausap niya. Sabi niya, bayaran kita. Only to pose for a few days. But he was already known to be a genius at that time. So pumayag yung actor because sabi siguro, honor ko na to, maging Iso Kristo. So he painted, he sat there in his studio, ginawa niya ang Jesus Christ. So 12 na. Ang ika-13th, si Judas, hinanap niya sa lahat. Punta siya ng ganon. But pag-uwi niya sa Florence, naghanap siya ng muka talagang evil. Pareho kay Trillanes. Naghanap siya ng muka ni Trillanes. Wala man siya wala pa man PMA noon. Hindi niya mahanap. But one fiesta sa where's that yung the Leaning Tower of Milan? Yes. Doon nakita niya yung fiesta, nakita niya isang tao sa karaming pagkain, gaiety and everything. He saw this man scavenging di basura. Naghanap ng pagkain. To pagdaan niya, nakita niya, putang ina, Trillanes na ito. Nandito lang pala eh. So he talked to him, so that said, do not be insulted, but I'm trying to complete my painting. The only person missing there, the face, is Judas. Sabi niya, you are not Judas. Sabi ko kay Trillanes nga, you are not the Judas. But sabi ni Da Vinci, you are a model or a face of evil. Sabihin ko na rin, you are a model, a face of evil. So, na-convince niya, at ang pangit talaga, karas-gara dito ang mukha. So, nag-upo sa studio niya. So, on the fourth year after na napintura niya. So, nakumpleto niya ang Last Supper. Problema, pagkatapos binayaran niya, yung Judas niya fell down on his knees and started crying. I said, bakit? Did I offend you? I did not say that you are Judas. I said that you personify the Judas sa isip ko kung anong itsura niya. Hindi man niya inabot. So, the guy was really crying, hysterical as a matter of fact. I said, why are you so emotional? You are not crying all the time when you were posing. Sabi ni si Judas sa painting, Mr. Da Vinci, I was once upon a time your Jesus Christ, and you took, that is me there. No, ngayon, you do ako yun, nagkalat ako sa buhay. I am one and the same person. So we all start with the noblest of intention, joining government, dreaming for, we start good, but especially in government, hindi kayo. But I hope I will not have to ask you to pose a picture, which I will be drawing shortly. before I leave the presidency. I hate to see you being a Jesus Christ only to discover in the end that you are the Judas that I have been also looking for. Maraming salamat po.